to enable remote play on Steam. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on or enable remote play on Steam. To do so, first of all, you need to open your Steam application or the website on a device. Once you have opened it, here make sure you are logged in to your account. Now once you are logged into your account, at the left top, you'll be able to see the Steam icon with its name. Click on the Steam and from the drop down here you need to select Settings. Click on Settings and this will open up a pop-up settings window. Here on the left side you will see the Steam settings. At the bottom you will be able to see this remote play option. Go ahead and click on this remote play, and once doing that, at the right side you will be able to see the settings related to remote play. Now here just below it, you will be able to see Enable Remote Play option. Currently the button at the right side is toggled off. Now to enable it, you just simply have to click on this toggle button and switch it on. Also at the bottom under Advanced Streaming Options, here you can optionally adjust Advanced Host option for better performance. For that you need to click on this toggle button at the right side to switch it on. Once doing that, at the bottom you will be able to see some more options. You can toggle them and switch it on based on your preference. If you want to play audio on your host device, you can turn on this toggle button at the right side of the option to enable it. So by following these steps, you should be able to turn on or enable remote play on Steam. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.